is the name of the Iranian New Year's Day, also known as the Persian New Year, which is celebrated worldwide by various ethno-linguistic groups. Nowruz is the first day of Farvardin, which is the first month of the Iranian solar calendar. The word Nowruz is the combination of Persian words no and ruz, meaning new day, and it has been celebrated for over 3,000 years. Nowruz usually occurs on March 21st or the previous or the following day, depending on where it is observed. The moment the sun crosses the celestial equator and equalizes night and day is calculated exactly every year, and families gather together to observe the rituals. There are several holiday customs during Nowruz festive period, such as house cleaning before the new year, visiting family and friends during the 13 days of the Nowruz holidays, decorating the house, and of course, the most symbolic tradition is the Haftzin Table. Haftzin is the name of the special table of Nowruz, the festival of New Year and the beginning of spring. This table is made up of 7 items that start with the letter S. In fact, Haftzin literally means 7 S letters, and every item symbolizes something positive for the coming year. Sumac, which are crushed spice of berries, symbolize the sunrise and the spice of life. Senjed, which are sweet dry fruit of the lotus tree, symbolize love and affection. Serke, which is vinegar, symbolizes patience and age. Sib are apples, and these symbolize health and beauty. Sir is garlic, which symbolizes good health. Samanu, which is wheat pudding, symbolizes fertility and the sweetness of life. Sabze, which is sprouted wheatgrass, symbolizes rebirth and a renewal of nature. Apart from these 7 items, there are other things placed on the table that depend on the family traditions. The table is usually set some hours before the beginning of the new year. Then the family members spend the last moments of the ending year sitting together and reading their holy book or poems of Hafez and Ferdowsi. However, Persians don't just stop there with celebrating this joyous festive time. Let's experience more of Nowruz together.